Hey guys, okay, I'm on the ascent out of South Arm Road in Andover. It's about 2/3 of the way up Blue Mountain. Like I said, 2,400, I think it's 2,468 off of the South Arm up to the summit. We've had some rebar climb, a little bit of hand over hand, but a lot of it's been like this too, so certainly doable. But a good challenge coming out, particularly if you've just stayed in the cabins and had a lot of nice food. Getting on here, your stomach's full, and you're like, oh, from the breakfast. You all know that feeling. Hiking on a full stomach. That's a tough one. A view from near the summit of Blue Mountain. I think that was the summit. I thought there was a sign, but somebody said it was placed oddly in the woods, so we'll see. I'll have you stay with me for just a minute longer to make sure that this is now the downhill side and not a false summit. But I didn't see any elevation above me at that point, so yeah, so now we're gonna go down. So that was the summit, and now it's not too far of a drop. We go down a little bit, then we sort of ridge run it up a couple more peaks. There is a big downhill at the end, but anyway, I'll bring you back up as this sort of unfolds. Okay, I am 4.4, so basically 4.5 out from, make sure I'm going straight here, the road junction, and it is currently 4:45, so I have an hour, 4:45, 4:45, I have an hour and a half to do 4.5 miles. The fastest I ever did 5 miles was an hour and 35 minutes. So it is certainly possible for me to do that, but there are a few issues right now. One is, while this rock structure is pretty easy to walk on, it is not well marked, and I keep having to stop to find my path. You can see that some people have stacked rocks like cairns, but I'm not sure, without a blaze, whether those are accurate or not. So there we have a blaze which confirms the accuracy of those cairns. So that's good news in the sense that even though they're not much to look at, it means I can have a little bit more confidence in their placement. So that's good news. Stops me from having to keep breaking the phone out. I mean, the reason I'm on here now with you is simply because I had to break the phone out to do a gut hook check, and that gut hook check led to me saying, "Oh, I might as well shoot a little bit of a video here." So anyway, this is the trail. Right now, it looks pretty good. There are some sizable drop-offs. Would slow you down a bit. But for the most part, I believe that if I don't get too bogged down here in this sort of mess like you see like here, I can make this time. I just need a little luck. Just a little luck. Look at this damn mess I gotta come down. This is the downhill from Bemis. And it has been a nightmare. Remember, I was talking to you about how if I could get a little luck, I could make it down the hill, you know, in like an hour and 45 minutes or something. But look at this. It is just a friggin' mess. Everything's slippery as hell and steep as hell, and there is no love in Hooterville. So, just when I thought I had it whipped, I have to ford a stream. I'm gonna try to not ford it and to go from rock to rock, but I don't think that's gonna work. See? That didn't work. Anyway, doesn't matter. My shoes are soaked, but I'm just half a mile from being done. And we're going to a hotel tonight, so I'll have a chance to dry them out. But that's all part of the calculus. So what happened is that I was coming down and I saw the dirt road. A dirt road. I couldn't really tell that it was dirt, but anyway, I was coming down and there was Trail Magic there from Jerry and Jerry. We're sort of famous trail angels. At first, I thought it might be from Random, because she said she was going to get a styrofoam cooler and put drinks and stuff in it for people. And so I thought, that's what it was, styrofoam cooler. There were two people there, Tea Time and Peekaboo. And great folks. No bows. Doing great. Sitting there drinking a beer, Yingling, from Jerry and Jerry. And so I started just gabbing with them, thinking that all I had to do was walk down the hill. You know, 100 yards or less. And I'd be where Random is, having forgotten that there was that dirt road 0.7 of a mile before ME17. So I thought the next road was ME17. So I took my sweet time jabbering with them until they started talking about their plans. And when I broke up Gut Hook, of course, it showed me that I was short. And so I just wasted that time. Not wasted, they're good folks, but wasted that time. And now I'm rushing to make it up. Here's a shot from that's Rangeley Lakes, I guess. And this is a shot from ME17. And there comes random to pick me up.
What a beautiful view, huh?
Yeah, it is nice. All right, good night. So we're in Rangeley, and here's the picture with the view outside of our motel.